Alright guys, what's going on, man? Welcome back to the channel. Your boy T right here. And you already know what it is, man. You seen the introductions, man. We got our hands on another pair of foam runners, and you already know what they call the MX Cinders. And I must say, probably by far my favorite pair of foam runners. I must say these are absolutely fire. The reason why I say they're fire because you know what, the colorway, the scheme on them, it looks absolutely phenomenal. I think they're better than all the other foam runners, my opinion. But yeah, let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. But let's just jump right into this, guys. As you can see here, Yeezy Day drop. Wifey did catch a pair. I didn't catch a pair, but hey, I just want to still talk about him because here he is. MX Cinders right here in hand. And I must say, I do like this whole colorway of this foam runner right here. The whole brown, light brown, like a fatigue style look. The black and this that hit of that sky looking blue, man. It is absolutely beautiful. I love it. All right, just jumping right into this actual foam runner here, man. As you can see, just jumping straight off. As you see in that little divot right there, we do have Adidas in that little divot. It is a whole EVA, nice cushion foam runner here. Like I said, durability is depending on how much you wear them, but they do have a sturdiness to them. So I can't complain on that. But as far as that, let's just talk about what we have to get. The hits of black going on the actual anklet, all around the sock part of the actual sneaker where your actual foot be going in at. As you see the inside, we do have the little ripple inside, and it does have that nice little same scheme colorway with the brown, black, light shades of brown, and things like that. Now, jumping on the front of this actual here, we do have a nice light blue here, which I think just makes the tone looks absolutely great. That blue itself just actually makes this foam runner stand out more. I do want to say one thing about these is that sizing wise, I know a lot of people I've seen in the comments saying that the sizing was too tight, so they ended up going to size up. Me personally, and my wife and I, like I said, we think that, you know, just keeping your true to size is actually great because that snug fit to me is actually the best fit. Me going up a size, I feel like it has a lot of play in it and it be moving. I don't like my slides or a foam or anything like that that move when I'm actually wearing it, even my Crocs and things like that. So yeah, I would say me recommending do go true to size. I think this being that snug fit would fit perfectly for you. So I mean, let me know how it works for you. If you do get your pair, let me know what size you went with. So yeah, that's on that. Also, to me, again, like I said before, this is probably the best foam runner for me. I do like the whole color of it. Like I said, it's nice dark. You can actually fit this with anything. So again, man, it's just the perfect one to get. So yeah, as far as reselling price, I don't know how much it is. Like I said, we got it on Yeezy Day. I haven't looked at the prices since. I don't resell shoes. Somebody asked me in the comments on that too, and I'm not a reseller. I get what I like, and I wear all my sneakers, guys. Just to let you all know, wife did the same thing. But yeah, I mean, yeah, so that's pretty much on that. But all in all, man, again, man, like I said, this is the left and here's the right, identical. You can't beat it. I do like these a lot. This is a beautiful foam runner. I do like it. Let me know which foam runners you guys like the best. Which one is your favorite? Which one's your least favorite? And like I said, man, that's all I got for you guys. A little short video, nothing too spectacular. But again, man, Yeezy foam runner, MX Cinders. Again, one of my top ones, my favorite. I think the best foam runner of all. That's just my opinion. I don't care what you say. That's my opinion. But yeah, all in all, that's all I got, man. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button for your boy. And yo, man, we got a lot more sneakers on the way, man. This is a nice year for sneakers. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next sneaker video. Love and blessings. Peace.